When I moved into a new apartment, one of the things I knew I had to do was to organize my spice drawer. Because tell me why every time I'm cooking, I have to ransack through all of these just to find one spice. So you guys already know that I'm currently in the phase of turning this space into a home. So welcome to House to Home series episode 3. If you've watched episode 1 and 2 and you're back again, hi, thank you for stopping by. I got the spice organizers and rack from Temu. I actually got the plastic one because I do not trust myself with anything made of glass in the kitchen. I don't trust myself. So I decided to go with the plastic ones. In fact, it took me a lot of time before I was able to find the plastic ones on Temu. And this one came with 184 pre-printed labels that you can stick on your spice jars. There are a lot of spices here, like even some I could not recognize. So I started off with cayenne pepper. I love using cayenne pepper to make beans porridge and vegetable soup. It's funny how growing up, the only thing our parents used to spice food was, curry, thyme, salt, and just Maggi. But now I'm able to explore other seasonings that has elevated my cooking along the line. Doing this was actually tasking, washing the bottles, and then this did not come with any funnel for me to, easily pour the seasoning into it. So I had to do this the manual way. It took a lot of time. It probably took me like 1 hour. At the point, I realized that there were some seasonings I had, but they didn't have the sticker. One of it was Sia spice, so I had to manually write that down. I love using Sia spice to barbecue my chicken, for grilled fish, and I also use it for noodles. You don't have Sia spice in your drawer. What are you doing? I actually got about 12 jars. Along the line, I'm sure I'm going to add more to that. So I was finally done. And this is what we have. So I couldn't fit some of the spices in a jar, which was the jollof rice spice and the fried rice spice. So I just went ahead to clean my drawer. I also got this mat that I used before, placing the spice rack in it. The next part of the video was very therapeutic. I'm going to allow you guys enjoy the rest of the video. What do you think episode 4 is going to be about?